Hello everyone.
The retired Colonel Mhlanganyelwa Mboto has told the Pretoria High Court that Muzi Sibiya, accused number 1 in the murder trial of the football star Senzo Meyiwa, confessed to committing a crime. Mboto is a retired police officer with more than 34 years of experience in the South African police services and told the court that he has taken over 100 confession statements from suspects in his career. He then said Muzi Sibiya told him that he wanted to confess to him about shooting someone. Mboto told the court that in May 2020, the same night the accused was arrested, he received a call from the investigator, Brigadier Bongani Geninda, telling him that he needed confession statements from Sibiya. Mboto, at the time, worked at Randburg police station, said he took the statement at the Diepkloof police station where he met the accused. He said, "I gave the man who was in handcuffs a seat and introduced myself and showed him my appointment letter. I then told him that I am authorized to take confessions. He understood. Then I read him his rights and told him that he has the right time to have a legal representative. I also told him that whatever he says will be used against him, in court." He further told the court that he warned the accused about the crime he had been arrested for, as a person found guilty of that crime will serve the longest term of imprisonment. He said that Sibiya told him that he was not forced, assaulted, nor influenced to make the confession. He said, "The accused told me that he wants to complete the statement without a lawyer and he's not forced to make it. After taking the statement, I asked him if he understood the statement he made. I then asked him to sign to show that he understood." Advocate Sipho Ramosipele, who is representing Muzi Kaukulela Sibiya and Bongani Danzi, then cross-examined Colonel Mboto about the statement that was made by accused number 1. He then asked about his client's physical appearance before taking a statement. Mboto said he had bruises because he was cuffed, but didn't examine his body if he had other bruises. Advocate Ramasipele then put it to Colonel Mboto that his client told him that when he interviewed him, he didn't put any preliminary questions that are contained in his document. Mboto said he did start with these questions. He also said accused number 1 was brought by several police officers and even Metro Police, but Colonel said he was brought by one police and he even mentioned it in his statement, especially in his office. Maybe they came, but he did not see them, even though he's mentioning Geninda didn't see him. Ramosipele told the court that his client was taken to a room by several police officers and was assaulted and tortured. Mboto said that he was only given a room by station commander, and in that room he was going to engage with the accused. He's not aware of that room and he's denying this thing that accused number 1 was assaulted and there's no outside room. Advocate Sipho further said that the police told him to talk and incriminate himself in the statement of the things he didn't commit. Mboto said he doesn't have a comment on that one and said the accused had all the time to tell him that he was assaulted, yet he didn't, and he's not a biased person. He further put it to him that his client said that when Colonel Mboto stepped in the room, the torturing stopped. Mboto had the document and told Sibiya to sign the documents or else the police officer will continue to assault him. Colonel Mboto said that is not the truth because he was alone in the room and he's the one who stepped in and found him alone. Advocate Ramasipele said the assault commenced when he was in Tembisa, where he was arrested and was also taken to Vosloorus, and the assault continued and in that police station in Soweto. It was for the 3rd time. He then surrendered and signed the documents because he was fearing for his life. Colonel Mboto said he won't talk about Tembisa and Vosloorus. He can only comment about Diepkloof police station. His commander won't allow any police that is not stationed there to assault anyone. and nothing happened in Deep Kloof, but he can't deny that. But if he was assaulted 3 times by police officers, as he's stating, he was supposed to arrive by an ambulance, not walking. Advocate also put it to him that the accused number 1 had no choice but to sign the documents. But Mboto disagreed and said they started talking and he began writing, and they both signed, and he was with him from 10:45 to 12 midnight, and the time they spent together says it all. Advocate Ramosipele said that the torture was a plastic bag that was placed and covered his face, his eyes, nose, and his mouth, and it was pulled by someone behind him, and other police officers were holding him, and they smouldered him and suffocated him so that he couldn't breathe. Colonel said that he was supposed to tell him that, and he's even asked him that if he was indeed assaulted. Advocate Ramosipela further put it to him that the process didn't even take 10 minutes because the statement was already prepared, and told him that if he doesn't sign, they will perpetrate the assault and torture. Mboto said he's denying that because he wrote everything down and he was the one who was talking. If he did make him sign forcefully, he'll be disrespecting the law. Advocate Sipho Ramosipele concluded that no one read any statement to him.
You were part of... Nobody assaulted or threatened even to influence me to make this statement.
What's your take on this one, people? Do you believe Colonel Mboto or you believe accused number 1? Share your views on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.